Every pet is unique in personality, genetics, and behavior, in size, breed, and life stage. Their lifestyles differ, and so do their sensitivities, health conditions, and nutritional needs. Backed by science, vets, and pet experts, Royal Canin creates precise nutrition for pets' age, size, breed, lifestyle, sensitivities, and health conditions with over 600 tailored formulas. Even the shape and texture of every kibble is designed for how a specific pet eats. So we brought this belief to life with a few fun activities. At the Kibble Challenge, pet parents matched breed-specific kibble shapes to the right bowls. As vets decoded the science, they realized that the way pets eat is behavior-specific and not generic. Then came Outdoor Olympics, real-world tests that celebrate what pets do best. Speed for runners, power for jumpers, agility for climbers. Think you know everything about your pet? Let's find out. In Vetted by Vet, myths met science one fact at a time, helping pet parents understand what their unique pet truly needs. By celebrating unique pets and their natural abilities, we prove that when every pet is different, their nutrition should be too.